it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as is a reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving with another reaction. And today we're here with Spice. Gracie. Think of myself, Gracie Miguel. Spice with 2085 T. 2085. Is that the year 2085? Wow, that's a long time away. 2085 from now. So we're in 2024. 2085 from now would be what? Boom. 61 years. 61 years from now. All right. So 2085 T. Let's go. Jump in the one on here with Gracie officer. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Why? I need them not too good.
Yo, Spice. I'm not doing this video today, no. I'm not doing it with you. I ain't doing it with you, girl.
Why?
Old lady, should I say?
I need them not too good.
Yeah.
But come here, grandma talk to you.
Yeah.
This a 2085. Look back.
Look how the Anna shake. Yo, this one. Let me just start. This one.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Yo, pull up.
Let's go!
Oh, shit. Here we go.
Why?
Yeah.
I need them not too good.
Produced by Spice Official Entertainment. Big up yourself,
But
Spice.
come here, grandma talk to you. This a 2085. Look back on things when me archive. Who never like me, them shoulda survive. Fi see me living up my best life. Back in
So who never like her should have survived. So who never like her dead from them time. Remember, I know this is 61 years ago. So who never like her dead from them time. The bad mind dead.
2085. Look back on things when me archive. Who never like me, them shoulda survive. Fi see me living up my best life. Back in the days, me used to go on bad. Nobody coulda dance like me, you must be mad.
Yo, this a dancehall. The rhythm alone, the drumming of this a dancehall. I like this. Spice is one of the most creative dancehall artists ever. Spice creative, especially on our stage show them. Spice just creative, bro. Like no joke. And how you come up with this concept, Spice? How you manage to actually come up with this? Where they in a studio and just talking and advice say, what? What you do? Let me know what I got.
2085. Look back on things when me
eyebrow
archive.
them great.
Who never like me, them shoulda survive. Fi see me living up my best life. Back in the days, me used to go on bad. Nobody coulda dance like me, you must be mad.
Yeah.
Me bumper so fat used to make man glad, but me sorry say me kids never get a better dad. Me pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Why? I need them not too good. But come here, grandma talk to you. This a 2085. Look back on things when me archive. Who never like me, them shoulda survive. Fi see me living up my best life. Back in the days, me used to go on bad. Nobody coulda dance like me, you must be mad. Me bumper so fat used to make man glad, but me sorry say me kids never get a better dad. Me fight for me work and them get highlight. One of them sex me man right under me sight. Fat used to make man glad, but me sorry say me kids never get a better dad. Me fight for me work and them get highlight. One of them sex me man right under me sight. The same people who used to talk bad about them, all of a sudden now everybody tie them fight.
A reaction and I don't know if you know. Spice is such a creative person. You know what I'm glad to say? That song is out now and not actually in a 2085. Well, so the people them what she talk about, them still there for hear what she say. Them still there for hear what she say. Them is still alive and listening now. Yeah, 2024 them still alive and listening now for hear what Spice say. Sorry, say the kids them never get a better dad. Then one of the dancer them, which we know who. We not call the name over here, so because Spice never call the name. But one of the dancer them, fuck our man, which was our baby father. Well, is our baby father at the time. That them did that together. Then she move on and say the person them with that when did a bonfire then them and them good now. Like them and the person with alright, let's go.
Them get highlight. One of them sex me man right under me sight. The same people who used to talk bad about them. All of a sudden now everybody tight. Them fight me so hard must it show me black. The 10-year contract make me shame the attack. Mash mouth did I pay people fi no play my song. Now me have a couple platinum plaque.
Hands up. Hands up.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go again! 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 Let's go again!
Mashmouth. Yo, me go call name ya man. Bumbuckler. Me not afraid of people. Me go call name. Me I call name over here so. Mashmouth. Ramesh, are you share talk? Yeah, suck yourself. Are you share talk? Ramesh, are you share talk?
I need them not too good.
Me call name.
But come
Oh, that's what she says. Well, wait. I call name over here. I'm not afraid of people.
But come grandma.
We are calling everybody name over here, so what you talk about?
2085. Look back on things when me archive.
Remember, that's what she said, not me.
Like me, them should have survived. For see me living up my best life.
Yeah.
Back in the days, me used to
go on bad.
Nobody could not dance like me.
You must see mad.
Me bumper so fat used to make man glad. But me sorry, say me kids never get a better dad.
Yeah.
Me fight for me work and them get highlight. One of them sex me man right under me sight.
Danger she attack. Danger she attack. Yes, danger she attack. Everything is public. That's what she said, not me. Let's go.
Fight for me work and them get
Mix
highlight.
up.
One of them
Bumbuckler.
sex me man right under me sight.
Yeah.
The same people who used to talk bad about them. All of a sudden now everybody tight them.
Me don't know who and danger them tight now. Me don't know, but let's carry on.
Same people who used to talk bad about them. All of a sudden now everybody tight. Them fight me so hard must it show me black. The 10-year contract make me shame the attack. Mash mouth did I pay people fi no play my song. Now me have a couple platinum plaque.
Mashmouth, Ramesh, are you she attack? Yes. She said you used to pay people not to play her song. Now she have a couple platinum plaque. So basically when she said that, so you couldn't stop it. That's what Spice said, not me.
Out did I pay people fi no play my song. Now me have a couple platinum plaque. Right now me glad me a mind my business. Me no business with nobody business. Me stay out of the way and me live my life. Me no business with nobody business. Right now me glad.
Yeah, we like this. We like this.
Play my song. Now me have a couple
Platinum plaque.
Right now me glad me a mind
My business.
Me no business with nobody business. Me stay out of the way and me live my life. Me no business with nobody business. Right now me glad me a mind my business. Me no business with nobody business. Me stay out of the way and me live my life. Me no business with nobody business. Them say you must not live in regret. But enough people I should have never met. I'll know them voodoo still no work yet. Cloud chase for attention where them never get.
RT boss. Me attack you, you know. Stiff teeth RT boss. Are you she attack? Yes. Stiff teeth RT boss. You she attack. Boy, you work guzo. Boy, you used to be Spike Obia man. I'll know. She said, I'll know your Obia no work yet. She said, I'll know, Mr. Obia man, your Obia no work yet. Forgive yourself attention. She said, stop cloud chase. That's what she said, not me. Let's go.
Out of the way, I'ma live my life. In a business with nobody business. Them say you must not live in regret. But enough people I shoulda never met. I'll know them voodoo still no work yet. Cloud chase for attention where them never get. Me thank God say me heart never stop. All the hatred now that can't rap. I know fake people did dep and love and hip hop. When the camera turn on, them start live cap. Me
Only the pan love and hip hop with her. I know fake people in the pan love and hip hop. Now the camera turn on, them start live cap, them start live a lie, them start tell a lie. Who share that this? Help me out in the comment section. Help!
God say me heart never stop. All the hatred now that can't rap. I know fake people did dep and love and hip hop. When the camera turn on, them start live cap. Me live with Optimus Prime and Terminator. Me go restaurant and I be a robot server. Never dream would I live see them your life, yeah. This a place and have one human work. Them say want it, can't get it. No for them get it and them still no want. That's why was sweet nanny goat a go run in belly. So no bite more than you can cha. The whole life.
Yo, Spice bad, yo fuck. Yo, Spice different. Spice build different, bro.
Can't get it, no for them get it and them still no want. That's why was sweet nanny goat
I go run them belly.
So no bite more than you
can
can cha. The whole of the moon of the bright eye shine. God say me never waste my time. Whole of the moon of the bright eye shine. Work hard and me claim what's mine. Now me glad me a mind my business.
Me no business with me business.
Me stay out of the way and me live my life. Me no business with the body business. Right now me glad me a mind my business. Me no business with the body business. Me stay out of the way and me live my life. Me no business with the body business. This a 2085. Look back on things when me archive. Who never like me, them shoulda survive. Fi see me living up my best life. Back in the days me used to go on bad. Nobody could not dance like me.
They must be mad.
Me bumper so fat used to make man glad. But me sorry say me kids never get a better dad. Me fight for me work and them get highlight. One of them sex me man right under me sight. The same people where used to talk bad about them. All of a sudden now everybody tight. Them fight me so hard must it show me black. The 10-year contract make me shame the attack. Mash mouth did I pay people fi no play my song. Now me have a couple platinum plaque. Right now me glad me a mind my business.
Yo, Ramesh get it, you know.
Business with the body business.
Ramesh get it.
Stay out of the way and live my life. Me no business with the body business. Right now me glad me a mind my business. Me no business with the body business. Me stay out of the way and live my life. Me no business with the body business.
I go sleep, yeah, mama. Go and go take a rest. You're tired. Yo. How can you hate Spice? How, like, anybody will get up and say, yo, they don't like Spice. What is the reason? What is the reason for not like Spice, brother? Like, seriously. Yo, Ramesh get it, you know. Ramesh get it. For me, Ramesh get it the hardest. And RT Boss. Them two, they get it the hardest, brother. Jesus Christ. If me miss anybody else who get it, let me know in the comment section, yo, please. Everything that was said in the song, that's what Spice said, not me. That's what she said, not me. Alright? So a long time I want to put on a shirt, just somebody have to change on the reaction. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna leave that one right just still. So I'll catch you guys at the next one. Me no business, but the body business. Spice, make up yourself, mama.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.